Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you how to create a trendy aura nail design with a simple technique that requires just one thing: waiting. Aura nails are now trending on social media. The color seems to softly radiate from the center of the nail, just like a glowing aura. It is a simple look, yet it feels refined and stylish. The secret behind this soft gradient is a special item. With the right product, you can create this effect just by waiting. This video will walk you through the process carefully, including helpful tips for beginners. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. Start by prepping the nails, perform nail care, lightly buff the nail surface, and cleanse with ethanol to remove oils. Then, apply base gel and cure it with a nail lamp. Now let's apply the base color. For this design, you will need two colors, one for the base and one for the center. Today, I am using a soft pink for the base. After applying it evenly, cure it under the light. Since one coat is too sheer, apply a second coat for better color. Next comes the key item of this tutorial: blooming gel. As the name suggests, blooming gel is made to spread the color gel you drop on top of it, like a flower gently opening. This makes aura nails surprisingly easy to create. Apply a thin, even layer of blooming gel over the entire nail. Avoid applying too much, as that can prevent the color from spreading properly. The amount you see here is a good reference, though it depends on nail size. Do not cure it yet. Move directly to the next step. Now prepare the color you want to bloom at the center. Today, I am using a deeper pink. Take a very small amount of the color gel with your brush and gently drop it in the center of the nail. As you can see, the color naturally starts to bloom outward without any effort. Wait until the spread reaches the size you like, then cure it immediately to set the design. If you want to make the color more vibrant, you can repeat the process. Apply blooming gel again, and drop more of the same color to deepen the tone. Here are some helpful tips to avoid mistakes, especially for beginners. First, use only a small amount of color gel. Too much can cause the color to spread sideways instead of forming a nice circular aura. Also, do not apply too much blooming gel. Thick layers are not recommended. The key is to apply it thinly and evenly. Use a sheer gel, a translucent gel that allows the natural nail to show through. If the gel color is too dark, it will not bloom well. Another tip is how you drop the gel. If you drop it in a round shape, it will create a round aura. But if you drop it in a slightly vertical oval shape, it will follow the shape of the nail more naturally. You can adjust this based on your personal preference. And one last very important point. Do not touch the gel after dropping it. If you disturb it with your brush while it is slowly blooming, the gradient will be ruined. So, once you drop the gel, wait patiently without touching it until it reaches the look you want. Once your aura design looks the way you like, apply a no-wipe top coat to finish. Once you covered the entire nail, cure it. And that completes the aura nail design. What did you think of this tutorial? Using the blooming gel, you can easily create this look just by waiting. It is simple yet eye-catching. The perfect modern nail art. I hope you try it out at home. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you would like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.